Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and they're actually trying to make a boundary. They say the boundary tool, but I think they're trying to contour it. If they do the W, it works. If they do the O, it doesn't work. When you click on the O, I can see something there. Let's do the G, works, A, works, and she probably is using a boundary tool and putting a boundary on the outside. But when you click on this, you can see that the little dotted line. So if always you can go to wireframe and see they're actually already there. So two things you could do. Let's go back to enhance, and you could delete. Well, if you can happen to click on that line and hit delete, and then it'll work. Or if you're having trouble with that, let me put it back to where it was. I'm going to set my nudge factor on like 0.5 of an inch. The Smart Fill tool will make a new shape, and then you can delete this shape entirely and all the remnants. Then just move that over, and you can left click, right click, and then put a boundary around that, and it's going to do it on the inside and the outside. That might be a little bit too thick for you, but also I could not see these mountains in the original drawing until I put it in wireframe. I could tell there was something there. So if that is something else I don't know, it was an A&I file, and I don't know what else, maybe it didn't come across good. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.